In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail email address. Open your web browser and head to the Google account creation page by visiting gmail.com. If you see a sign-in screen, look for the option to create a new account. Click Create Account, then choose the type that fits your situation, for personal use, for your child, or for work or business. Most people will pick personal use, but select what applies to you. On the setup page, start by entering your first and last name exactly how you want them to appear in emails. This is your display name, so make it clear and professional if you'll use the account for important messages. Next, you'll be asked for your date of birth. This helps confirm eligibility and tailor certain features to your age. You'll also choose a username. This becomes your Gmail address, so aim for something unique and easy to remember. If your first choice is taken, use the suggestions Google offers or try simple variations, like adding numbers, extra letters, or a period to make it unique while still readable. Create a strong password with at least 8 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details, and consider using a passphrase that's long and memorable. Type the password again to confirm it matches, then click Next. Google will ask for account recovery and additional info. Enter a phone number to verify your account. In some cases, you may be able to skip this, but verification helps secure your account and makes recovery easier if you ever get locked out. You'll receive a one-time code on your device. Enter that code when prompted. In some setups, you might see an option to verify by scanning a QR code. Follow the on-screen instructions if that appears. You can also add a recovery email address. This is optional but strongly recommended, as it provides another way to reset your password if needed. Confirm your birth date and select your gender. These details help manage age-appropriate features and personalize your experience. When you reach the terms, take a moment to review Google's terms of service and privacy policy so you understand how your data is handled. When you're ready, click I agree to finish. That's it. Your new Gmail account is created. You can now sign in at gmail.com, explore your inbox, and adjust settings like your profile photo and signature. Keep your password safe, and consider using a password manager to store it securely. Enjoy your new Gmail address.